Hi, I'm Adrian with Physical Graffiti, Sedona, Arizona. This is Masako.
Hi.
It's our dog Chopper.
Chopper.
Yeah, today we're going to continue on with the motorcycle build, and we are going to actually start assembling the motorcycle.
Cool. 組み立てに入ります。It's nice.
Yeah.
I like it to assembly.
Yeah.
So much fun. Yeah.
So we're going to just try to keep it short. I hope you can watch to the end.
Yeah. セドナにお店があるんですけども、タトゥーをしなくてもぜひ遊びに来てください。あとコメントも日本語でいいのでお願いします。
Yeah.
Okay.
It'd be great.
Bye.
Okay, a couple of notes. The first is that John and Shauna have come down from the middle of the state. Now they've been here and they brought their beautiful daughter as well. They've been here for the be sure that when we take a break later, you give them a noogie and there you go. Wonderful to have you guys here. Yes, that's how we say hi here. Announced the move in 2018. The now deleted text, Australia looks forward to moving its embassy to West Jerusalem when practical, in support of, said as an opposition senator in 2018 that her center-left party does not support unilateral recognition of Jerusalem as the capital of Israel, and in government would reverse this decision. So she said she would do it. Now, I'd like you to know, anytime something says center-left, that's a lot. Whitmer hides this reality from Michigan voters, leading Proposition 3 to be uniformly referred to as the abortion amendment, even though the expansive language of the proposed constitutional amendment reaches far beyond abortion. And on abortion alone, notwithstanding proponents' claims
Okay, it's the end of the first day of reassembly, and get the front end all buttoned down. I Loctited all the bolts, everything holding on the brake rotors there, and Loctited all the important bolts, and greased up the neck really good, and got the springer on and get everything fastened down really well. And the transmission isn't fastened down yet because I have to get that hooked up first, and then but I did fasten down the oil tank, and got all the bolts for the sprocket and the brake rotor on the back all bolted down tight and Loctite on there, and all put onto the frame and everything. So it was a day's work. So it's starting to look like a real motorcycle here. I think it's a good, I don't know, a couple 100 pounds maybe. What do you think? Whoa, mother hover. There we go. Pretty close. Mother hover. I'm glad you were there. Got the motor in. Pat just helped me put the motor in.
Oh,
it's
perfect.
I know, right?
Wow. This is very difficult things.
Hey, remember Jason helped
Jason
me?
here, yeah.
And then,
nice.
Biker Bill helped me.
Yeah.
Old Biker Bill.
Oh, looks nice.
So day 2 of reassembly, got the motor put in. It's not mounted solid yet. I just want to put some nice stainless steel hardware in there, so I'm gonna have to order that. I ordered a mounting kit, a chrome mounting kit, and it was just, I don't know, it didn't work too well. The bolts weren't long enough, and the lock nuts weren't matching up with the screws with the bolts. So that's where we are on that. And yeah, so I think the next step is to get that bolted down, and I'm going to go ahead and start working on the electrical. I'm going to get the handlebars on there and just go ahead and start working on the electrical. So hopefully that'll be what our next video is going to be about.